In this video, I'll show you how to check Google Form responses. First, open your Chrome browser and click on the Google Apps icon. Select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. Now, open your Google Form. At the top, click on the Responses tab. Here, you'll see a summary of all responses with charts and data. To view individual responses, click on Individual. You can scroll through each submission one by one. If you want to open all responses in Google Sheets, click the green Sheets icon. A spreadsheet will open showing every answer in detail. That's it. Now you know how to easily check your Google Form responses. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.